If you want to edit Calendly questions, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to update your Calendly invitee questions, change the wording, adjust the answer type, and make sure your booking page collects exactly the information you need. This is super helpful if you've changed your process, want to ask better screening questions, or simply need to make your scheduling page look more professional. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new guides are uploaded. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is where Calendly keeps your event types and booking settings, so this is the main place you'll work from when editing questions. After that, select the event you want to edit. Calendly usually has different event types for different meeting purposes, such as discovery calls, consultations, interviews, or team meetings. Make sure you click the exact event that has the questions you want to change, because each event can have its own separate booking settings. Once the event opens, look for either the booking page or the invitee questions area. Depending on your Calendly layout or account version, the question settings may appear in one of these sections. This is where you'll see the questions that people answer before they book time with you. Now scroll through the list and find the question you want to update. You might want to change a basic text question, adjust a multiple choice option, or edit a question so it better fits your current workflow. If you've been collecting the wrong information, this is the perfect place to fix it. Next, click the edit option next to that question. This opens the settings for that specific question, allowing you to modify the question text itself, the answer type, and whether the question is required or optional. From here, make your changes carefully. You can update the wording so it's clearer, change how the person responds, or turn the required setting on or off, depending on how important the question is. For example, if you need a client's company name, budget, or project details before the meeting, you can make that question required so they can't skip it. If the question is no longer useful, you may also be able to remove it or replace it with a better one, depending on your Calendly setup. The goal here is to make the booking experience simple, clear, and useful for both you and your invitees. Once everything looks good, click Save or Save Changes. This is the final step that applies your updates to the event. Be sure to save before leaving the page, otherwise your edits may not go through. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the booking page if Calendly gives you that option. That way you can confirm the question appears exactly how you want it to and make sure the form still feels easy to complete. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit Calendly questions quickly and correctly. Whether you're updating one question or refining your entire booking flow, these steps make it easy to keep your scheduling page up to date. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Calendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.